Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Welcome back in my online classes. Student, today we will start our new topic from our English grammar book, that is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that join words, phrases and sentences. Conjunctions is a word that joins words, phrases and sentences. Example: Ram and Mohan are best friends. Ram and Mohan are best friends. Here Ram and Mohan are joined with and is your conjunction. Have a look one example more. He is rich. But miser. He is rich but miser. Here but join rich and miser. So here but is your conjunction. The major conjunctions are and, but, through, neither, nor, either or either, or, unless, least, while, however, since, because, therefore, otherwise, yet, if, till, as, like, both, etc. These are major conjunction. Have a look at the definition of conjunction again. Conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases and sentences. These are major conjunction. And word, through, neither, nor, either, or, and it can be pronounced neither, nor and either, or also, unless, least, when, while, however, since, because, therefore, otherwise, yet, if, till, as, like, both, until, etc. Now we will learn the types of conjunction through the flow chart. Conjunction has divided in two parts. First is coordinate conjunction, and second one is subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. And there are four types of coordinate conjunction. Cumulative conjunction, second, adversative conjunction, third, alternative conjunction, and fourth one is elative conjunction. Conjunction had divided in two parts. First is coordinative conjunction and second one is subordinative conjunction. There are four types of coordinating conjunction. First one is cumulative conjunction, second one adversative conjunction, third one alternative conjunction, and last one is elative conjunctions. Now we will read all the types of conjunction in detail. Firstly, we will learn the definition of coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinate conjunction. Conjunctions. Words, phrases, and sentences of equal rank. Or grammatical unit of same kind. For example, go and bring some water. Go and bring some water. Give me milk or tea. Have a look first sentence. Go and bring some water. So these both are the example of verb and they are equal grammatical unit of same kind, means both are verb. Second one, give me milk or tea. Milk and tea both are common noun and it is also equal grammatical unit of same unit. Now we will read the first kind of coordinate cumulative conjunction. Cumulative conjunction. Conjunctions. Add one statement or fact with another. Such conjunctions are to, now, also, not only but also, but also, as well as, etc. For example, she is both beautiful and intelligent. And wise. Beautiful and wise. Have a look the definition again. Cumulative conjunction add one statement or one word of fact with another. It is used to connect, it is used to join one statement to another. एक statement को दूसरे statement से जोड़ने के लिए cumulative conjunction काम आते हैं. She is both beautiful and wise. Here beautiful joined with wise, these are equal in rank. Have a look the second conjunction, adversative conjunction. Have a look the second point. In first point we have learned that it is used, cumulative conjunction is used for join, for add one statement to another, from one word to another. For example, he is not only rich but also clever. Here not only and what also had add the one statement to another. Now we will learn the second point, adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction. Join two statement Now you will say that what is the difference in adversative conjunction and cumulative conjunction? Both are used for joining two statement or two words, but in adversative conjunction show the contrast between them. What is the difference? What is the difference in adversative and cumulative? In adversative, conjunction join two statement, but it shows the contrast between them. इन दोनों में दो सेंटेंस तो ये जोड़ता है एडवर्सेटिव कंजक्शन, मगर दोनों में कंट्रास्ट दिखता है, दोनों एक दूसरे से अपोजिट दिखते हैं. बट स्टिल yet only, however, nevertheless, etc. are the examples, etc. are adversative conjunction. For example, my father is rich. My father is rich. This is sentence number 1 or statement number 1. While my uncle is poor. Student, have a look. There are two sentences. There are two statements. First statement is my father is rich, and second statement is my uncle is poor. And we have joined because both sentence show contrast between them. एक दूसरे से दोनों अपोजिट सेंटेंस हैं, इसीलिए हमने इसे एडवर्सेटिव कंजंक्शन से जोड़ा है. Have a look. One example. Alternative conjunctions expresses choice between two statement. Statements either or, neither nor. Otherwise, else are alternative conjunctions. Either or, या तो ये या फिर ये. And neither nor means ना ही ये और ना ही, ना तो ये और ना ही वो. So in alternative conjunction express choice between two statements. For example, either you or Mohan. Is at fault. Either you or Mohan is at fault. So student, you can watch there is choice for you and for Mohan. in this sentence, and we express our choice with the help of adverb alternative conjunction either or. Look, next example. Hard. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. You will fail. You will fail. So student, you can say that here otherwise express choice of work hard, otherwise you will fail. You will fail. So there is choice of working hard, otherwise you get result of fail. Have a look next. Now we will read the next and last kind of coordinate conjunction, elative conjunction. Elative conjunctions show that one statement is inferred or proved from another. Have a look the definition again. Elative conjunction show that one statement is inferred or show or proved from another. कि एक स्टेटमेंट तो बोला जाता है मगर दूसरा उसका रिजल्ट बता देता है. Therefore, so, then, are elative conjunction. For example, he worked hard. He worked hard. So, he passed. With good marks. Student, have a look. There are two sentences. First is he worked hard. This statement show inferred, and second statement he passed with good marks. It joined with elative conjunction for showing the result. Means elative conjunction show that the one sentence, the first sentence is inferred and proved another. जो पहला स्टेटमेंट है वो अपनी बात को रखता है और दूसरा स्टेटमेंट उसका रिजल्ट बताता है. Now revise these again. Cumulative conjunction are used for add one sentence to another. Cumulative जो conjunctions होते हैं वो यूज किए जाते हैं एक सेंटेंस से या एक वर्ड से दूसरे वर्ड्स को जो कि इक्वल रैंक के हों. Second, adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction are also used for add one sentence to another, but it show the contrast between them. ये भी दोनों सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने के लिए या दोनों वर्ड्स को जोड़ने के लिए तो होते हैं, मगर एक दूसरे से कंट्रास्ट शो कर रहे होते हैं, एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होते हैं। ही इज़ रिच बट माइजर, वो अमीर तो है मगर कैसा है, कंजूस है। तो अमीर और कंजूसी दोनों एक दूसरे के कंट्रास्ट में हैं। नेक्स्ट इज अल्टरनेटिव कंजंक्शन। इट इज यूज्ड फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग चॉइस। डू यू हैव टू टेक टी और कॉफी? देयर इज चॉइस फॉर टेकिंग टी और कॉफी। सो यहाँ पे चॉइस पता चलती है, एक स्टेटमेंट से दूसरे स्टेटमेंट में या एक वर्ड से दूसरे वर्ड में चॉइस एक्सप्रेस करता है आपका अल्टरनेटिव कंजंक्शन। लास्ट वन इज इलेटिव कंजंक्शन। देयर आर टू स्टेटमेंट एड विद ईच अदर, बट लास्ट स्टेटमेंट शो द रिजल्ट। जो लास्ट स्टेटमेंट होता है वो उसका रिजल्ट बताता है। आई होप you have understand. Now we will talk about subordinative conjunctions. Have a look the definition of subordinative conjunctions. The definition of subordinative conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions help to connect subordinate clause. What is the another name of subordinate clause? Dependent clause. वो clause जो दूसरे main to the main clause. You have read about clause in chapter 2. Subordinate conjunction help to connect सबऑर्डिनेटिव और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज टू मेन क्लॉज। ये हेल्प करते हैं डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज की मेन क्लॉज से जुड़ने के लिए। दैट so that if in case when before, after, why, where, as soon as long as, etc. We'll read all subordinate conjunction in our next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.